It's a chilly day out. The EM1 ran for 10 or 15 minutes again there. And so that's running pretty nicely still. The EM2 here, a lot of struggles with it. I'm gonna double check a few things, but like I said, it kind of is frustrating today, and the drill battery is dying, so we'll take a look at it later. I'm sure that, like I keep saying, I'm sure that because the EM1 turned out so well after I was done with it, that eventually I'm gonna get the EM2 here in order. But like I said, my modification fixed the fly ball hitting the cylinder back here. So we fixed the fly ball hitting the cylinder, but now I think it's just governed really slowly, so it's super sensitive. So it just needs to be much more finely tuned because of the lower governor setting. Although I might figure out a way to raise the governor setting a little bit to make it a little easier to tune. So yeah, it's a nice short little run today. It's chilly out, fall day, so it's about 40 degrees out. So that's the other reason the engines are a little bit testy this morning, is because it's a bit chillier than usual. Once it gets colder again, I'll probably get them dialed in for the colder weather, and they'll start running it really well again. So